We are a plastic-free, package-free grocery store in Los Angeles.
We wanted to make it easier to shop sustainably for groceries. We are Joseph and Lauren Macrino from Tear Grocery.
A tear is the weight of an empty container. When you come to the checkout, we remove that weight, so you only pay for what's inside.
We met up in the Bay Area and we started shopping this way and got really accustomed to it. We had a really hard time finding any way to do it here in LA, so we did it ourselves. Start shopping this way, you really get used to it, and it just seems crazy when you go to the grocery store and you see everything packaged up.
Once you get your process going, you have no waste at home. You're amazed that your bin is not full all the time. It turns into a passion and a lifestyle really quickly. For me, also, we went back to Australia, where I'm originally from. I can remember being on the beach that I grew up on and seeing a lot of plastic in the ocean and in the sand, which I'd never seen before.
We do strive to live zero waste. However, we're not perfect by any means, and we don't expect anyone to be. We really want to encourage people to try their best.
Yeah, little steps at a time.
We've got a full store, about over 400 organic products, ranging from spices, herbs, nuts, grains, sugar, flours, dehydrated vegetables.
We have tea, a lot of snacks.
Package-free pasta.
We've got soba noodles, we've got udon noodles, spaghetti, rotini.
We also have a bunch of liquid goods. We've got oils and vinegars, kombucha, also superfoods, adaptogens, mushroom powders. We also have some bath and body products, body scrub, shampoo, conditioner. We
have a little retail section in here too, with reusables and zero waste alternatives to your everyday household goods. And everything is plastic free. The store's about 95% organic, non-GMO, and try to source as locally as possible, but sometimes that isn't always possible, but whenever we can.
We're still competitive with the packaged alternative.
It often ends up being so much cheaper because you're not paying for the packaging and the advertising and branding that goes with that packaging. We now offer EBT, which is really awesome.
When we first stocked the whole store, just to see the little amount of waste that we had after was incredible. Most of the things we get shipped to us are shipped in double layered paper bags.
In such large quantities too. We try and buy as big a quantity that we can.
We're offering 100% post-consumer recycled paper bags. We also have glass jars for sale.
We are serving everyone.
And then post-COVID, we'll be able to use our tearaway station.
After COVID, when you're able to bring in your own jars, you'll place it on the scale. The scale sends the weight of your jar to the iPad. You'll take one of these microchips here and you'll tap it on the reader. That will write the tear weight of your jar to the microchips. You bring it to the checkout, we'll actually scan it and deduct the weight of the jar from your purchase.
Even during this pandemic, we really want to try to offer a plastic-free alternative to grocery shopping. I mean, it comes across as like a plastic industry's wet dream for this pandemic, because as you can see everywhere, every grocery store you go into, they're double bagging your groceries.
It doesn't need to be like that. Our store has been functioning really well.
We're constantly going around sanitizing surfaces. Customers aren't touching anything.
We just hope to be a beacon of hope that you can still avoid plastic and shop sustainably during this pandemic.